How to reset the Blink Mini Indoor Smart Security Camera. First, keep the Blink Mini plugged in. Make sure the camera is connected to its USB power cable and receiving power. Don't unplug it before resetting it. Blink specifically says the reset button should be pressed while the Mini is powered. Second, locate the reset button. Look at the bottom of the Blink Mini, near where the camera connects to its stand. You'll find a small reset button. Third, press the reset button with a small tool. Use a paper clip or small screwdriver to press the button. Blink specifically recommends avoiding sharp objects such as safety pins or thumbtacks because you can damage the camera. Fourth, hold the button for more than 5 seconds. For a hard reset, press and hold it for more than 5 seconds. During a hard reset, Blink says the camera displays blinking red and blue LEDs. When you see that pattern, release the reset button. Fifth, wait for setup mode. When the blue LED slowly blinks, the Blink Mini is ready to be added again. During normal pairing, Blink also describes the ready state as blinking blue with steady green. Sixth, open the Blink app. Open the Blink Home Monitor app on your phone. If you're getting the Mini set up again, use the app's Add Device option and choose Mini Camera. Seventh, reconnect the camera to Wi-Fi. Follow the Blink app's prompts. When prompted, join the temporary Blink network, select your home Wi-Fi network, enter its password, and allow the camera to reconnect. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.